Welcome to lesson 14. Today we are making bread with some beets. In the bowl is some yeast and some beet water. And here is my pureed beets that I cooked. And I used a little bit of the beets water from the cooking to puree it in the blender. There are many ways to do this bread as far as preparing the beets, but I prefer it cooked. It's much easier. You can juice the beets, you can grate the beets, and here I'm putting in all my cooked beets. All the instructions, ingredients, and step-by-step process will be in the description. Adding in my extra virgin olive oil and then some virgin coconut oil. Stirring it in, and then I will add my flour. This bread is moisture rich, so bread flour is recommended. Let's use a spatula to stir in our dough till it gets very thick, and then we'll switch to our hands. Hope you're enjoying the Making Bread 101 series. This is lesson 14. So I hope if you are just joining us, you start watching from lesson 1. And if you've been following us, you should be a pro by now. And congratulations with all the breads that we've been making. The holidays are not too far away. You can show off your bread at the dinner table, and you can gift bread. People love beautiful breads as a gift. And make sure if you're going to gift the bread, it is tasty. Okay? Alright, now we're going to finish up with our hands. Make sure all the flour is hydrated, which is easy for you to see. All the white parts are your flour. Make sure every piece of flour is incorporated in there. Dip your fingertips into a bowl of water if they get sticky. Do not add flour to this bake. Like I said earlier, it's very moist. Now we're going to sprinkle some olive oil around it to avoid it from sticking to the bowl, and we're going to cover this and let it sit for about an hour. And we have a nice rise after an hour, and we're going to sprinkle some flour on our surface. But before then, we are going to strengthen the dough inside the bowl, and you already know how to do that. Bring it from the outside into the center until it is nice and tight. And as you go from the outside into the center, you're going to feel the tightness build up. Just keep doing it until it gets tighter and tighter. As you can see, the bread flour has absorbed a lot of the moisture, so it's easy to turn. We're going to take it out and place it on our work surface. Rub some olive oil in the palm of your hands. And we're going to make this into one ball. So you just bring the ball towards you and drag it up. Bring it slowly towards you. And use your bench scraper to scrape any extra dough. Just handle it and bring it towards you. Now that makes it tighter as well. Then we're going to place our dough into our baking pan. Butter your baking pan, even if it's non-stick. Cover and let this rest in the refrigerator for an hour and a half to 2 hours. Okay, the reason being we're going to score it, so we need it to be cold. It's time to score. I'm going to score with this lamb, and I prefer using the razor blade directly. It's easier for me, so you can do that. You can score with a knife, anything that you have. Okay, it doesn't have to be the exact same scoring. I am putting some rice flour on top of my dough and gently spread it around. Reason is I want the contrast of the scoring to show on my bread. Okay, and rice flour works very well for me. Flour, I find, absorbs the moisture, so it's not going to give me the definition I want. All right, so let's score. Now you can score it any way you want. You don't have to score deep because this is not a sourdough bread. So very lightly, very gently do your patterns on top of your bread. Now if you're going to gift a bread, this would be a nice way to present it. Coming up, we have a new series, Sourdough Made Easy 101, where we will teach you how to make sourdough from scratch. We will also teach you how to make your own sourdough starter from scratch. Push the notification bell, tell friends and family so you'll know when our sourdough series starts. Now after scoring, we are going to put this in the oven at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes. And here we are, our bread is nice and baked. Isn't it lovely? It is so gorgeous. I love the color. Hot, hot, hot. Let me turn it for you to see. I wish you could smell it. It smells so wonderful. Now let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, look at that delicious and gorgeousness right there. The bread is so soft. It's still warm. And I'm going to slice some up so you can see how you can slice them. Give you an idea. It is so soft. It smells so wonderful. And beets bread is very delicious. Yes, it is. This will go as a beautiful sandwich. You can just put some butter on top, peanut butter, whatever you want. Well, my friends, until next time, bon appetit!